this is an unboxing for the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige, which is the chrome one. It's not this one that is here in the picture, but we'll see it. We purchased this from Whole Lotta Love, and we purchased this additional Gaggia kit service, which is more affordable in Whole Lotta Love than in Amazon, and this additional filter. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. We haven't done one of these in a long time. This machine is a super automatic espresso machine, and it does 14 different drinks. You can get your espresso here, your ristretto, your cortadito, lattes, flat whites, hot water as well, and frothed milk. It's one of some of the drinks that it does. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We go back here with the tool to change the grinder setting. Little tool here. You change the grinder setting here with this, and this you can also use to put your ground coffee, because it also tastes ground coffee for drinks like decaf coffee. So, and this is a water tester kit, so you can test your water and then make some adjustments based on the quality, or the hardness, I should say, of your water. And this it's a grease for maintenance of the machine. Okay. All right. So warranty here has a 1-year warranty, or 2-year warranty, I believe it is, with the manufacturer. This machine comes straight from Italy, so it's good manufacturing in there. And this is the manual. It's in Spanish and English. This is the Gaggia Cadorna Prestige. Okay, supposed to be the best super automatic espresso machine right now. We did a lot of research with the Gaggia Babila and other brands like Longhi and Breville and Jura, which are more expensive, tend to be more expensive than these ones, and this one came out on the top. This is the filter, Intensa Plus filter, that comes with the machine. So we have this one and a spare. AC power, the cord, power cord. Okay. And let's see, this is one of the good things of this machine, is that, again, you can do milk-based beverages, and it comes with its milk carafe, which you install in the machine. And we're not going to cover that in this video, but this is just an unboxing, but we'll upload and follow on video with the setup. Very nice. Seems very sturdy. It's not glass, it's hard plastic, so it's good. All right, let's see what's behind this. Put this on the floor. Okay. All right, so I wonder what this is for. Maybe to lift it. Yep. Okay. Let's see. All right, this is the bottom part of the machine. The grid where, you know, excess water will come in here and fill this out. Okay. This is metal, not plastic. It's good. And this is the indicator that shows you if it's too full, it will pop up. So you go and change it. Okay, let's see if I'm supposed to do it this way. Okay. This is the machine, and it's chrome as we expected. Okay, very good. I'm gonna put it right here for now. And some of the pros of this machine, very quickly. Not only can do 14 high quality drinks, this machine makes them right, in the right order. Some drinks require the milk first, and other drinks require the espresso first. It does Americano also the right way with the coffee and hot, espresso and hot water. It has a warmer here for the cups. This is where you put the whole beans and it grinds them. And it has a good height, so you can even put like travel mugs in here. Other machines don't allow you to do that, and that's important for us when we go back to work, to be on the road. It has a digital display, which is very user friendly, that most of the machines have like more like button based or analog based, and you can save 4 profiles, up to 4 people, right, with the right specifications for your different drinks. It has the water tank on the front, so you can put, I don't know how to pull it yet, but you can pull it from here instead of from the top, which is convenient for countertop space. And here's where you put your milk carafe when you're doing milk-based drinks. And it has a cleaning system. So and it was highly recommended by the team at Whole Ladaloff, and that's why we went with this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video, the unboxing. We'll upload a follow-on video with the setup.